the magnetic field. So what is the biggest problem? You know that we don't have a ball which can hold a plasma state. Means the magnetic field only can hold. So we need a ball. The magnetic field should be like this. Inside this magnetic field, here is what the plasma state deuterium will be available. Hydrogen and deuterium should be there in plasma state. Then the reaction will take place. What is the biggest problem? Now we know plasma state, how to obtain. We don't know how to construct this bowl. Sir, shall we use ceramic? At 5000 Kelvin, ceramic will melt away. With any substance will not survive. So therefore, what is needed? Magnetic field. So producing that magnetic field which can hold the plasma is what we are struggling it. Once we can achieve that, I think problem will be solved. So all these reactants will occur at very high temperature of order sun's core temperature. In the sun's core, the hydrogen, this was the reaction, thermonial reactions will occur, and from where that the sun's energy will come. Now let's get into, first we'll calculate the Q value of a reaction. Two deuterions. This will be 23.834 mega electron volt. 1 AMU this was the calculations I took it. Okay, this will convert into joule will convert. Somebody should give me value all this. Q value 38.1344 10 to the power of minus 3. 38. Now, what is the efficiency of reactor? This is energy per fission, no? Energy per fusion or two deuterions. Energy per fusion of two deuterions. Or per fusion you can call it. Now 25 per fusion is there. So find the amount of deuterium needed for 1 day. 20 megawatt rating is there. Find the amount of deuterium needed for 1 day. I think first we'll calculate what is the output of energy. I think first we'll start with this one. What is the power? Power is what is the energy needed for 1 day? Energy needed for 1 day. This is P naught into T. E naught will call it. So this E naught is equal to power is 200 into 10 to the power 6 into 1 day, 24 into 60 into 60. This was the energy needed per day. For 1 day it is needed. 25% of energy there. The total energy needed will be 4 times of it. Total energy needed will be 4 times of it. Okay, now we know total energy and this is the energy per fusion. So number of fusions shall we calculate? So number of fusion should be equal to Et by Q. Okay, after getting this, how much of amount of substance needed? Per fusion, we need 2 deuteriums. Okay, therefore the total amount of substance will be, this will be NF, I'll write it. Yeah. 2NF, Avogadro number, molecular mass into mass of substance. Can you work out again? The idea is same, no? I do have answer. 120.83 gram. Look at now. Look at this. 120.83 grams. So first of all, we'll see what is the advantage of this. 200 megawatt per day. Okay, 200 megawatt. So let's say that our house will have 100 watt bulb. Let's assume that one. How many such bulbs you can glow? How many houses we can lit? Suppose say in a house I have 100 watt. I think 10 watt now. 10 watt is sufficient. Okay, then how many houses I can lit it? 200 into or 20 will take it. 20 watt will take it. How many houses we can lit it? 10 to the power of 7 houses. 10 to the power of 7 houses means 1 crore. 1 crore houses, what when the light will glow for 24 hours for this much of deuterium. I already told you 20 paisa. So hardly around some 100 rupees it will cost you. The reactor. One time if you can manufacture this and keep it, no, afterwards free electricity, electric power will become very free. With this small amount, 120 gram means I think 0.1 kg, 0.1 kg of deuterium is enough to lit 1 crore houses for whole one day. Are you getting the power of this nuclear reactors? Long back from 1940s, no, the Western countries, they adopted. That's why their production cost is so less. The reason is this one. They have nuclear, the electrical power they generate by nuclear reactors. The cost is very less there. Production cost. Of course, there's a nuclear fusion is not there. I'm talking about fission only, the nuclear fusion. So there's a unlimited fuel we have. Okay, and the amount of fuel needed is very less. So we can now really solve the electric power problem forever. And see, if you have electric power abundant, I think a lot of things will change. That's what the nuclear scientists they are trying to do here now. Hope you get inspired for this. If you can find anything nuclear fusion, something reaction, something breakthrough, no, you'll get Nobel Prize one, and the whole human life, what happened, will be indebted for your discoveries. Whatever you do, discoveries, no, the whole life, what happened, the whole human generation, what happened, the humanity, what happened, will be indebted for you. If you can really find out anything in the fusion also, anything which will be useful for society. For that, what you should study the quantum mechanics, you should study the nuclear physics, atomic structure, the total physics, the mathematics, probability, the chemistry. You should solve, think, analyze. You have to go to higher level. You take the BTech in engineering physics in IITs. From there you get into particle physics. Then there you start learning things, get into some major primary institutions, BARC, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. There again, what when you start doing research. There's a methodology to do something for nation. Just sir, I'm interested, I'll do something means how you do something. Effort should be there. What is the path? Path is what is available. Get into IITs, BTech in engineering in NITs or IITs. After completion of BTech, they'll call for a job, written test, qualify there. Then thereafter into the institutions there, the organizations there, you start working it. Learn first basics, then again start analyzing. Then identify what you can contribute, which is essential. Start thinking over it. Continuously, per day, 10, 15 hours, you should put effort, think, analyze, compare, do practicals, do experiments, then you come. Once government job, okay, get married. After getting married, children, then house, then car, then trips, then purchasing plots, then children's education, then children job, then children marriage, then retirement, then death. This is what happening in our Indians community here. Where you get time to think? Tell me, you are so busy. Are you getting now? So this is something routine. I'm not asking. See, everywhere, but the constant